Hello everyone, welcome to Rrbcs tutorial for competition. Let's start biology lecture number 24. First question, the function of antennae found in cockroach or antenna found in cockroach is, option C is the correct one, is tactile and sensory receptor. Question number 2, consider the following statements about probiotic food. Probiotic food contains live bacterial which are considered beneficial to humans. Probiotic foods help in maintaining gut flora. Which of the following is or are correct? See, only 2 is the correct. Probiotic foods help in maintaining gut flora. Next question. The genes which confer antibiotic resistance to bacteria relocated in, option A plasmid is the correct one. Question number 4, match list 1 endocrine gland with list 2 position in body and select the correct answer using the code given below the list. See, adrenal gland, thyroid gland, islets of Langerhans, pituitary gland. See, pituitary gland at the base of the brain. Islets of Langerhans, it is in the pancreas. Thyroid gland on the larynx, and adrenal gland above the kidney. So, option A is the correct one. Next, the neurogenic heart in the characteristic feature. The neurogenic heart. Correct option is lower vertebrates. Question number 6. If man of blood group A marries a woman of blood group B, their children can be of the, option A, AB or O. Question number 7. Consider the following statements. Sea mouse is a mammal. In sea mouse, the hemoglobin is dissolved in the plasma of blood. Sea mouse is a mammal. No, it is wrong. In sea mouse, the hemoglobin is dissolved in the plasma of blood. This is correct one. So, only 2. Option B is correct. Question number 8. The bacteria were discovered by which of the following person? Bacteria. See, it is A.V. Leeuwenhoek. Option 9. Which one of the following organelles is the smallest membrane bound organelle? Smallest membrane bound organelles. Option C. Lysosome. Next question. Which of the following animal is used to prepare the vaccine against Mycobacterium leprae? Option B. Armadillo. These are the references. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If the video is relevant to you, please like, share the video, comment if any modification is required, and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.